Good morning everyone, it's Vicky from Live Life Green here, and this morning I've got for you the 3 things you need to do to prepare yourself for Plastic Free July. So Plastic Free July is just a week away, and I find when I do this each year I always am a little bit more successful if I've thought about it earlier than the 1st of July, which is why I'm here today helping you get prepared for Plastic Free July. So for those of you unaware, Plastic Free July started in 2011 in Western Australia actually, and it was just a very, very small locally run event, and it has now grown to be participated in around the world by millions of people, which I think is just amazing. So the great thing that I love about Plastic Free July is that they really just encourage you to make the changes that are realistic for you. You don't have to go plastic free for the whole month because, quite frankly, that's just out of reach for a lot of people, myself included. I'm not going to lie. There's no way I could be 100% plastic free for a whole month. I would love to be able to do it, but I need to stay sane too, so I do what I can. So they really just encourage you to make, a small change that you can to even just reduce your plastic, and that's what it's all about. And even if that just means committing to one thing for one day, that's still a step in the right direction. For example, disposable coffee cups. Australians, this is just Australians, not worldwide, use 2.7 million disposable coffee cups every single day. That is over 1 billion across the course of the whole year, which is just crazy. So if every single person in Australia just for one day decided to refuse a disposable coffee cup, that's 2.7 million single-use things that would be saved from landfill by just one action by everyone on one day, which is awesome. So to help you get started on your plastic-free journey, my 3 tips to you are: number 1, just commit. Simple as that. Just commit to doing Plastic Free July. That's all you have to do, just commit to do it. Step number 2 is decide on what that commitment will look like to you. So either choose to commit for a day, choose to commit for a week, choose to commit for a whole month. You can choose to commit to just reducing one thing like disposable coffee cups, for example, or you could commit to reducing plastic packaging, or you could go 100% plastic free for the whole month. If that's you, oh my god, you are my hero. That is just amazing. But it's really just about choosing the time frame and the plastic item that's realistic and achievable for you. And then my final tip is share what you're doing with your family and friends, because A, it holds you accountable, and B, people are inspired by other people creating change, so you never know what change your actions and your committing to Plastic Free July will inspire in other people. So there we have it, my 3 tips to get you started on Plastic Free July, and none of them cost you a cent, by the way, is just commit to doing it, then commit to what you're actually doing, and I feel now is probably a good time to share with you my commitment. So my commitment, and it's going to be a challenge, I'm not going to lie, is going to be committing to 0 plastic packaged snacks for the whole month, which, I like to think that I don't eat a lot of them, and I don't, but at the end of the day, I also have kids, and sometimes I just need a snack for them on the run, and it's always packaged in plastic. So that's my commitment for the month. My personal commitment is to no plastic packaged snacks for the whole month of July, and I will let you know how I go along the way, if I falter here and there or if I manage to do it. So stick around to watch the journey. And also, I'd love for you guys there's a really cool lady beetle crawling across the ground where I just am. It's really beautiful. Sorry. I'd love for you guys to pledge your commitment below. That would be really, really cool. Just write a quick comment below with what plastic you're planning on cutting out this Plastic Free July and how long you're planning on doing it. And also, during the course of the month, drop us a line and let you know how you're going with that, because we want to follow your journeys too. And tag a friend as well who should also be doing Plastic Free July. That's it for me today. We will be posting lots of tips and tricks throughout the whole month of July to help you on your way with Plastic Free July. But if there's anything in particular that you would like to know or that you need help with, also feel free to drop us a line at any time. And I'm going to go back now and stare in awe at this amazing ladybug crawling on the ground just near me, because it's huge and really bright red and it's amazing. Have a great day, guys, and a lovely weekend. I will be coming to you from a different location tomorrow. Stay tuned to find out where we're at. See you later, guys.